Hi everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to work on the F-35B. After an amazing flight and after an amazing hover, and after a lot of testing of those doors, we're going to close it. We're going to close the top cover, we're going to trim it nicely, and I'm thinking about the livery as well. So we're going to paint it in the real F-35 colors, and we're going to choose for the livery for the Bravo Foxtrot, the BF-01. This is one of the first F-35s we took off vertically. I hope you like this jump cut shot. And yeah, let's see how far we come in this video. Lots of work to do still. It looks quite far, but let's always, like I always said, is let's build something. Okay, so I taped the top cover. I'm so sorry for my dearest friends who are following me for years. In the beginning I didn't use those EDFs, but we need this roll momentum. If you got like 300 to 400 grams of thrust out of the roll nozzles with 12 kilos of thrust in the X-axle, it just won't work. So we need a lot of roll momentum. And these EDFs will give us a kilo extra of T-factor, like we call it. So yeah, before we're going to glue it, I double checked everything. All the doors are functional. Also, I'm decided to make the rudders functional. And yeah, everything works fine. Look, even when I open this, we got free space over there. Look, one finger. Bam. It closes really, really nice. It doesn't matter where I hold the door, in this case. This is really, really awesome. Also, the bottom looks really, really awesome. Look, the three BSM doors make a bigger movement than the lower bomber doors. They make a movement of 45 degrees only. Let me know in the comments, guys. I really love to read them all. And don't forget to like and to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I can use some support. Okay, before we're going to glue it with the Scotch Weld DP490, always check if the door fits really nicely. And when we glue it, we push it closely and we are going to align it really nicely. So as you can see, it's already nicely aligned. This also is for the top cover, 2 doors. Oh, wow, it really starts to look like an F-35B. One of the most coolest airplanes in the world, in my opinion. But this is how it looks when it's closed. And I cannot wait to add the livery from the Bravo Foxtrot. And the real F-35 colors, panel lines, stickers, decals. And these are provided by tailor-made decals. So this is our livery from the BF-01. So I got also all the nice face down decals and also this painting marks for the tail. Look how amazing this looks like. And for the guys who are new, STOVL means short takeoff, vertical landing. So, and we already have proven this with the smaller F-35B from RC Jetprint. Really, really cool. Also, I got a lot of questions which power plant I'm using. So this is a JP 90mm fan on 12S. And this weight is about like 430 grams. And this can deliver and push maximum 6 kilos. And we got 2 of those in this F-35. But this, dear people, this is a 120mm fan. I will put an affiliate link in the description, and this can push 9 kilos. Once this is glued, top cover, we're going to trim out this canopy. And my friend Ingmar already pulled a clear canopy, which looks brilliant. So guys, make sure to watch this entire video and hopefully we'll get a nice result at the end of this video. By the way, guys, this is the F-35A, which I also built it with my friends. So thank you all if you are watching. We're going to start soon building a new model with help from Marijn. And we're going to implement the 130 inside of this airplane. So let's hope to build it under 7 kilos, maximum 8. But with 9 kilos of thrust, we got a nice EDF which can power this F-35. Look how detailed the nozzle is. Yeah, so this is actually also the same diameter, so this will be really epic, guys. And this model, this build will be sponsored by not by JLC PCB. This one was sponsored by JLC PCB, and the new model will be sponsored and helped and supported by PCB Way and JP Hobby. And make sure to check out the website of Turbines RC. And this is the 120mm EDF 12S LiPo counter wise. Brilliant EDF, guys. Really, look how stunning this is. Wow, and look at the gap between the rotor and the stator. It's minimized. Fully aluminium and very lightweight. 9 kilos again. Okay guys, we're halfway there. It's really important that I don't miss any spots. Normally we leave this mold, we leave the product in a mold. But now, yeah, it's a really difficult one. So it takes the strength out of the skeleton. So we will manage. It flies really nice and straight without trimming. So this is the reason like I do it this way. Almost there. Yep. Yep. Netjes. Dankjewel. Okay, it looks really like a Frankenstein airplane, but everything is taped, aligned and pre-glued. So let it dry for the next night. So, and then we can start sanding, a little bit filling and paint it really nicely. But it feels already really solid. Really happy. Yes, this is my first completely built F-35B. What will hover? I cannot wait. How it looks like. Wow. And there she stands, glued with the top cover on, and everything dried really nice. So the doors are still moving. The rudders are really tight. So what we're going to do now is to clean all the glue. What's there is yeah, a little bit too much. And then we're going to sand it. And then we're going to start painting it actually. It looks so super amazing. Wow. Just wow, guys. Okay, after some successful takeoff with the old LiPos, I'm still waiting for the new batteries, which are from Stefan Lipa shop, 65Cs instead of 30. So we got more power to take off quicker. So we're going to do some sanding today, and maybe we're going to add some paint, and I cannot wait to add the livery on it. So let's continue. Okay, let's paint the F-35. First layer of coat. Wow guys, from distance it looks already freaking awesome. So let's retract the gears, flip her upside down, and let's do the top side. This is, by the way, just a base coat with thinner. Okay, let's paint the top cover. Wow, I cannot wait to see her in the air with the complete livery on it, with all the decals and stickers. Wow. Wow guys, after a successful flight, we're going to add the livery. Finally, for the first time, I'm going to add a livery on an F-35B prototype actually. It's still a prototype, but anyway, I need to test everything, so also the weight of the stickers. Wow. Let's go. By the way guys, this is the 1-10 F-35B. And we've got the 1-8 F-35A, but this is a static mock-up. So together with help from PCBWay and RC Turbines, JP Hobby, we're going to make this model fly. So we're going to build a complete new one with the support of PCBWay, and they're going to help us to build the landing gears. And we're going to have a lot of fun because our goal is to join yet Worldmeister in 2025 in Qatar. Let's go for it. It's become a really nice journey for the next coming year. So make sure to subscribe and like this video and to our channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. See you. Bye.